Yeah, look at this. Maybe we should have started here. Beautiful. Ready to go see some waterfalls? He's already been there. He went there yesterday. 12 miles. I already told you. 12 miles he did yesterday.
12 miles. It was a long day.
Yeah.
4 hours.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Well, 3 miles an hour. Yeah.
Yeah.
But still, with lollygagging and exploring and everything.
I didn't do the time. And to be fair, going up and down this road is pretty quick.
Oh, yeah. Let me show you where we're heading. Look at that. And I got my leash. I got my whistle. All right. You gonna be a good girl? Come on. Beautiful. I love it here. We are headed to Wapta Falls today. Katie girl, you stay close. You stay close, although we're making enough noise and we're chatting. It's a waterfall on the Kicking Horse River, which we've been camped along for several days now. Pretty, huh, Sadie girl? Was that an elk bugle? The falls are actually in Yoho National Park, but we found a back way in, so we don't have to pay the national park and deal with national park rules and people and stuff like that. So we're going a back way.
I was concentrating on the camera kind of, so I jumped less than I would have.
Do you hear it? Sadie hears it. It's not. Oh my gosh, are you starting to see it? Are we going to the right?
Both ways. We'll go both.
Which way first?
Go right. This is the lesser view. And watch the cliff drop straight down.
Oh my God, look at this. Sadie girl, you be careful. Wow. Holy shit. I mean, this isn't even, you can see it through the trees. Look. I mean, amazing.
Down to the tree. I was there.
Wow, no, I'm okay.
You're okay. You're okay.
I can't believe I'm afraid of that.
He made it. There we go. Yay!
That is amazing. Welcome to BC. Wow, this is amazing. I think I'm going to move to BC. Wow. There's people over there. There's a main trail from the national park that you have to pay for. You have to pay national park entrance. Wow.
Oh, she got it.
You are crazy. Get it? So what were you saying?
So when we came up from the States there,
Yeah.
where we hang that first left at the major intersection there,
Yeah.
if you went right, that takes you back to Alberta. But before that, there's one more valley that goes all the way back down to the States.
Uh-oh. Oh? She is something else. Look at her. Oh my God. She is amazing. Ready for this? Today we're gonna drive through Banff. I'm gonna play it by ear. Right now I only plan on driving the Trans-Canada Highway through Banff to Calgary, so I have all day to explore and sightsee and take my time. I'm gonna stealth camp in Calgary tonight. Well, I'm not sure it's quieter, but it's definitely prettier. Got the marching band practicing over there. Are you following me?
Yes! Yes, I'm following her.
You're giving it away. Okay. 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 It's washed out, so it's not very good for selfies. Hi, I'm talking to the camera.